Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the updated process for adding multiple website URLs to your LinkedIn profile using your PC. This feature is a great way to enhance your professional presence and share more about yourself with your network. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, you'll want to enter the Settings and Privacy section. From here, select Account Preferences. This is where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Now, scroll down to find Profile Information and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit key details about your profile. After that, focus on the Contact Info section. Click on Edit Contact Info. This pop-up window is crucial as it's where you can add your website links. In the Edit Contact Info window, look for the option that says Add Website. Click on this button and you'll see a space where you can enter your website URL. Make sure to type it in correctly to ensure it links properly. Once you've entered your first website, repeat the same steps to add more websites. You can add up to 3 different URLs, so feel free to include any professional or personal sites that showcase your work or interests. After adding all desired websites, don't forget to click Save. This step is essential as it ensures that all changes are applied to your profile. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added multiple website URLs to your LinkedIn profile. This not only helps in boosting your online presence, but also makes it easier for connections and potential employers to learn more about you. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.